It begins in the sun-drenched volcanic soil of southern Italy. Hand-picked at peak ripeness, only the finest make it into the crate. Every tomato is judged by heritage, color, and sugar content before it moves forward. Fresh buffalo milk collected before dawn becomes the soul of authentic mozzarella. Basil for aroma, olives for gold, every ingredient carries the fingerprint of its origin. From field to facility, speed and care preserve the perfection of every ingredient. Milled within hours of harvest, the flour retains its protein strength for perfect dough elasticity.
Combinata pieno, Marco. Stacco il rimorchio. Procedi.
Chilled instantly, the milk's freshness is locked in for the journey to the mozzarella production line. Nature's finest gathered with purpose, ready for the transformation that awaits inside the facility. The journey continues under morning skies, each vehicle a guardian of freshness. Every kilometer is monitored temperature, timing, and care preserved in transit.
E all'avvicinarsi della destinazione svoltare l'autogrill.
Here, tradition meets precision engineering in a facility built for scale and soul.
Tomatoes to the conveyor, carefully. Si, Marco.
Each ingredient enters its dedicated pathway, temperature controlled and traceable at every step.
Grain to silo, steady flow.
Only perfect fruit precedes every imperfection removed by skilled hands and keen eyes.
Got it? Looks clean.
Triple washed in temperature-controlled water, purity is non-negotiable at every stage. Every tomato is scanned, verified, and approved before it becomes sauce. Wheat arrives ready for milling, its protein profile verified before it enters the silo. Milk enters at precisely 4 degrees, its freshness preserved for the mozzarella line ahead. Milled to exact specification, the flour's protein content ensures perfect dough structure. Water purified and heated to exact temperature becomes the catalyst for perfect dough development. Mixed with precision, the dough develops gluten structure that will carry the pizza through every stage. Each portion, weighed to the gram consistency, is the foundation of every perfect pizza.
Perfetto, esatto.
Controlled fermentation develops flavor and texture, the quiet transformation that makes dough come alive. Pressed with gentle precision, each base retains the air pockets that create authentic Neapolitan texture. Sauce made from yesterday's harvest, applied with robotic precision yet human-approved quality. Fresh mozzarella applied at perfect temperature, melting begins only in the oven, not before. Basil and gold applied as final touches, tradition honored in every automated motion. Into the heart of transformation, where fire and time create the perfect Neapolitan crust. 3 temperature zones controlled to the degree where science meets the soul of Italian baking.
Adjusting zone 1 top heat to 430. Copy, zone 1 set.
Cut with surgical precision, each slice preserves the integrity of crust, cheese, and topping. Every box sealed and traced from ingredient source to final destination, transparency in every detail.
Label verified, batch code and expiry are accurate.
Robotic precision arranged with human design patterns, stability and efficiency in every layer. Every pallet built for journey integrity protection that travels as far as the pizza's story.
Wrap tension verified, load is stable.
Final verification before release, quality that answers to tradition and technology alike. Every pallet tracked in real-time inventory that honors both speed and tradition. Loaded at perfect temperature, the journey to your table begins with cold chain integrity.
Carico l'ultimo pallet.
Secured with precision, every pizza protected for the road ahead.
Tensione confermata, carico sicuro.
On the road now, tradition delivered with modern reliability. As the sun sets, another day of craftsmanship completes its cycle. Day or night, the standard never changes, quality that knows no hours. Tested with the same rigor every hour, every batch, every pizza. Even at rest, the factory prepares for excellence. Tomorrow begins tonight.
Grazie.
And this is how modern factories produce Italian pizza from start to finish.